mischief. Off the bead.
It's new tyre.
It's new tyre, but it's come off the wheel, mate. When I went sideways. You know, maybe on there. There's one point where I went sideways, and because of the low tyre pressure, it took it off the bead. Take it to 50.
I think maybe.
And then I'll roll it, and then we'll let it down again.
Supervisor is here to make sure things go smoothly.
I'm the muse. Sorry.
Sorry, assistant to the head supervisor.
Yes. Again,
How much the source of this air?
I already did. Source of this air. Heinz ketchup.
Yeah. Heinz ketchup.
Okay, man.
I think it's safe.
Yeah, let me
It's
roll
okay.
it.
40.
Yeah, it's okay.
40, I think it's good.
Where's the cap? You got the cap?
Yeah, it's with you.
Yeah, I think you went inside. Just sensor. That's why I saw like it's dancing.
Yeah.
The
I
last
think I knew exactly where it happened also.
Oh,
I
yeah,
felt it. I felt it, but then
It's fine.
That's where you disappeared.
Let's let the air back down.
That's what I'm saying when you disappeared.
I don't think it happened there.
No, I don't think so. It's when we had a body
And
roll.
like a little pop. And like
Yeah.
it felt like we jumped.
We were leaning pretty hard. Good job, man.
I think I'll fix this one. Get the deflator.
Ben, can you make it 15? Make 15 or 30. Anyone got any water?
Yeah.
I think it's good. Just turn that engine off so I can have a listen.
Oh, you broke a clip.
Hold on, just before you start. I need to listen. No, I think it's good. I think it's good. No, the wheel rubs.
Yeah, clearly.
You ripped all that shit out.
We lose the inner liners sometimes completely.
Here.
It's coming away. It's been off several times. Guess how much this bumper costs?
Ah, yeah,
No, go on.
super expensive.
No, get you from Toyota. Proper thing. This whole bumper.
I don't know if it's going to be cheap or it's going to be expensive.
It comes unpainted, so you have to paint it.
Right.
Take a guess. Take a wild guess.
600 real.
Nearly 500.
Really? That's incredible.
We got a spare one.
I was thinking it was 4,000 real.
Yeah.
If
If I told you, you wouldn't be surprised if it's 4,000. And this hand costs 7,000 every time it goes near the garage.
And it
He's just paid $2,500 for an oil change. So it's just
Put
main
it
bead.
on sale. We can put slightly used. Because it's semi-new.
As new.
Yes, new.
As new.
Eddie, when you sound like you have to put barely new.
Oh my god.
This fine vehicle has not had the chassis welded up because it's rotten. It's not on its fourth bumper.
Well, there goes our video. We're going to have to edit the hell out of this thing now.
It hasn't broken
Just beep
3 brake calipers.
Broken the calipers.
Yeah, they cracked.
Geez, yeah, we're going to have to beat that out.
Here's the secret. To get this size of wheel on, you have to grind the caliper down.
Otherwise it rubs.
Yeah. So you end up with thin calipers. That
The
rub.
gap with you. This place is for us very.
Disaster averted.
For now.
Yeah, usually we lose a radiator about here.
Also in the same area.
Yeah, same spot.
Disaster averted. No thanks to Mr. TZ, who mixed up his white pants and the blue laundry.
Are the new shoes matching the shorts? Oh, I fell off the contrast wheel.